Let's talk about going to the ER and why it can feel like you're waiting forever when you're in the ER waiting room. First of all, the ER gets backed up with non-emergencies. I used to see this all the time. People coming in the middle of the day or the middle of the night with issues that they've been having for weeks or months at a time that hadn't necessarily worsened. They just wanted it addressed right then and there. And I'm not saying, not to go to the ER if a problem actually has gotten worse, but this is what a primary care physician is for, getting it addressed by your doctor and then going to a specialist to follow up is how it stops the ER from getting backlogged from so many people that are going in for non-urgent issues. And then two, the triage nurses, they have to prioritize true life and death emergencies. Not only are they dealing with a waiting room full of people who, when you first walk in, they're already starting to assess the minute that you come in the doors. They're looking at your pallor, the way you walk, talk, and breathe. If you grimace, if you're guarding. They also are dealing with ambulances coming in the back from all kinds of smaller hospitals in the surrounding area. So there's a lot of behind the scenes things that are going on that you may not be aware of. And it's not that they don't care if they are not tending to you as fast as you would like. It's just that the hospital system is overwhelmed, especially as people are getting more and more sick. And this is just a reminder just to be respectful to the ER nurses, because this is a really, really difficult job, especially after COVID, during COVID and after COVID. Just people and the world is escalating and getting worse. So be respectful to them and let them know of changes that your loved one is having. They certainly don't want your loved one to be in a dangerous situation in the waiting room or to be getting worse. So if you see a change in your loved one while you're waiting, make sure to let them know. But always be kind and respectful, because they will be more than happy to help in those cases whenever you are kind. They will give you more of an update when you are willing to communicate in a kind way.